Once upon a bright and sunny morning in Maplewood, lived a cheerful boy named Milo. Milo loved to play and dream big, but his room was always a big, big mess. Toys scattered the floor, books stacked unevenly, and clothes draped everywhere. Casual, "I'll clean up later," Milo always said, but later never came. One day, Milo wanted to build the tallest block tower ever, but he couldn't find his blocks. Frustrated, maybe I need some magic. Suddenly, a sparkle twinkled, and out popped Tidy, the organization fairy. "I heard you need help finding your blocks," she said. Milo nodded. "Yes, my room is too messy. I can't find anything." Tidy waved her wand, and a soft, glowing light filled the room. "I'll show you how being organized can be like magic. If you want your blocks, you need to tidy up first." But cleaning is so boring," said Milo. "Tidy!" "Let's make it fun. We'll turn tidying into a game. Ready?" Milo's eyes sparkled. Eagerly, "Ready!" "First," Tidy said gently, "let's pick one thing at a time. Can you put all the blocks in this big box?" Milo nodded and happily gathered all the blocks, placing them neatly inside. "Great job! Now can you stack your books on this shelf in order?" Milo carefully lined up his books, feeling proud. Tidy then asked, "Where do your toys like to rest after playtime?" Milo pointed to the toy chest by the window. Satisfied. "Perfect. Let's put all the toys there." Milo tossed the toys in, making the room look clearer and bigger. As they tidied, Milo found his favorite blue block at the bottom of the messy pile. "Look! I found it!" he cheerfully. When the room was all clean, Milo sat on his chair and admired his work. "Wow! My room looks so nice!" Happily, "And I can find everything quickly," he said happily. "See, being organized isn't magic, it's just smart thinking," said Tidy. When your space is tidy, you can have more fun and less frustration. Milo smiled from ear to ear. "Thank you, Tidy. I'll try to keep my room clean every day." Tidy winked. "That's the spirit. Remember, a tidy space leads to a happy place." With a sprinkle of fairy dust, Tidy waved goodbye and disappeared, leaving Milo with a neat room and a big smile. From that day on, Milo turned tidying into a game, every morning and after playtime. He found joy in keeping things organized and enjoyed building his tallest block towers without any trouble. And so, Milo learned that with a little care and a lot of fun, being organized was the best kind of magic he could have. The end. Thank you for reading.